Hey there, Nutrition Club members, your culinary nutritionist Michelle here. Today, with these few ingredients, a little sprinkle of sea salt, some eggs, and some fresh spinach, we are going to create in our cast iron pan a veggie and protein-packed wrap for a sandwich. And in that sandwich, we're going to add even more veggies. Let's get started. To make the wraps, I'm going to add 4 eggs and 2 cups of fresh baby spinach, and half a teaspoon of sea salt to my food processor. And then I'm just going to puree it till it's all blended together smoothly. Let's scrape it down partway through just to check that it's nice and smooth and that spinach has gotten all chopped up. Okay, I'm going to heat my cast iron pan over medium heat. I'm going to spray it with some olive oil spray to prevent sticking. And then I'm going to cook half of the batter at a time for about 3 minutes or until the batter starts to bubble, and then I'll flip it and cook the wrap on the other side. Half the batter at a time will get 2 wraps out of this recipe. Let's get the veggies prepped for the filling of our wraps. So I have a medium-sized carrot here, which I've peeled. I'm going to take off the ends, and then I'm going to cut in half so it's a little easier to work with. And the first thing I'm going to do is slice it vertically so that I can lay the ends down on the flat side and it won't roll away on me. And then I'm just going to make really thin strips, and as thin as you'd like to bite into. I'm going to do the same thing with the cucumber and my half a red pepper that I'll be working with. To prepare the sort of dressing for our sandwich, we're going to combine half an avocado. So I'm going to cut slits into my avocado this way and then this way. And then I'll use my fork to scoop that out. We're going to combine this in the bowl with a teaspoon of fresh lime juice. And this is going to create the dressing for our wrap, kind of like a mayonnaise or a mustard would be. Here we have our spinach and egg wrap. It is a little delicate, so if we roll it and it falls apart, we use a fork and knife to eat it, no worries. So I'm gonna take that avocado and lime mixture and spread that around, getting it no more than sort of within an inch of the border. Spread it as evenly as possible. And then we're gonna layer on our veggies. So take a few of our cucumber strips, and then a few of our carrots, and mingle everything together here. And then a few of our peppers. And on top of these, I'm gonna put some crumbly cotija cheese, because I like that kind. You could use feta or any other kind of cheese that catches your fancy. And then we're gonna roll it up. And there we have that all rolled up. We'll slice it in half. And here you've got your spinach and egg wrap with veggies inside. And here we have our spinach and egg veggie wrap.